Welcome to How to Solve.
In today's video, I will teach you how to use ChatGPT for learning English. So as we know, English is the universal language, and it would be easy for you to have this guide for you to talk, have conversation, and learn English in some ways. So here is ChatGPT. It is one of the most popular and common AI that we are using today. So how can we use ChatGPT for learning English? So with ChatGPT, what you need to do is to create or send a message to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will do its best to give you an answer. So in this column, from March to April up to the previous 30 days, here are the things that we did. Now, if you want to add a new chat or to create a new chat, then just simply click this new chat. So let's say I want to say hi in different languages. And then there it is. ChatGPT will give you an answer. Just like you could say hola in Spanish, bonjour in French, ciao in Italian, and many more. Now, let's try to say that you want to have a conversation with a native speaker. So just type, I want to have a conversation with a native speaker. What can I say? And there it is. It will generate you an entire conversation. So, hi, how are you? My name is, you can state your name. I am learning English and I would love to practice with a native speaker. Are you available for a conversation? So, that's just it. And this is the future.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.